Hello friends, welcome back. Did you hear that? The holidays are close, so very close. And today I want to teach you how to make these cute little ornaments / treat boxes for your family and friends. I'm Nye with Ellie and Mac. Let's have some crafting fun. Welcome back, friends. I'm so glad you came. We love the holiday season. People are wonderfully warm, welcoming, giving, friendly, and joyful during the holiday season. This season, we wanted to give you something that you could gift your friends and family. So, here it is. It's a fabric treat box / ornament. If you decorate with a Christmas tree, these would look super cute on your Christmas tree. I'm gonna put these on mine. If you don't, they are really adorable and the perfect size for a mini candy bar or a tiny little Hershey Kiss to give to someone that you love. Now, in order to make these, you're gonna need fabric, woven fabric. For this one, I used 6 by 6.5 inch squares, or rectangles actually. For this, I used 6 5 by 5.5 inch rectangles. For this, I used 6 4 by 4.5 inch rectangles of fabric. You can use knit fabric because we are going to iron fusible interfacing to the fabric rectangles so that they will not stretch. However, if you're using custom knit fabric, I will warn you, it can be very bulky and difficult to fold. It can be cumbersome to put the box together with that thickness of fabric because we all know custom fabric is the bomb diggity, except when you're making boxes. So, I mean, this one came out super cute with custom fabric, but it was very difficult to put together and the corners are not as neat as, say, the woven. So there you go. There's the difference between them. You're going to need, along with that fabric, you're going to need snips, scissors, a rotary cutter, a rotary mat, an iron, an ironing board. You're going to need clips, ribbon, and a ruler. You see me? I'm in my head. I'm like, and thread, and your sewing machine. So lots of stuff. I'll list them all right here so that I don't have to like worry about forgetting one of them because I'm gonna forget, okay? I mean, I may be thrifty, but I'm also forgetful, so there's that. Yes, so let's get started. Come on, don't be shy. We have been friends for a while now. Don't be scared. I won't hurt you, I promise. You're going to iron your fusible interfacing to the wrong side of the fabric. Now we have all 6 rectangles. Fold this in about 1/8 of an inch, and we're going to do it on both sides, and then we're going to sew that just to make a nice tight little hem there. So let's sew. And now we're going to fold. Okay? First, I want to show you this tool. This is a roll to press by HoneySew. It costs $6.90 on Amazon, and this is what I have been using to press my seams. Lots of folding, so it means that you have to press those seams a lot. First things first, fold the fabric. You want to have the hem on the top and on the bottom. You want to have the right sides of your fabric facing down. Fold the fabric from top to bottom. Then open it back up. Now what you want to do is take the bottom and fold it to the center. Now you want to take the top to the center. You want to take the bottom corner and fold it 45 degrees. you want to take the other side and fold it down. Take this little corner and fold it in. So you're going to basically fold it inward where the fold line is already existing. So essentially you're folding it in the opposite direction. Just like that. And you want to do the same thing with the other side. So fold this in just a smudge there. This. Then what you do is you take you see there's still a fold here, fold that into the bottom and close it. Okay, then you do the same thing with the top. You open this up and you fold the bottom into it, just like that. And it should tuck nicely since you have already folded it. And now you have the piece that you will need for your box. And now you will make 6. And we'll be right back when you're done making your 6 pieces, and I'll show you how to put them together. Yay! Hello, I'm back. I'm going to open up this gift and take it apart so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will have 6 pieces that are identical to one another. First, you will take the first piece and make sure that you fold back your triangles. So it will look like this on one side and this on the other side. And they should all look exactly the same. Open it up and take your second piece. Now, your second piece, you see the flat part here is going to slide right into there, just like this. Now we're going to work on this side. So we will take our third piece and we will slide that piece right in here. Okay. Now we have kind of a star-ish, okay? And then we will flip it over, so since that piece is done, we'll put it on its bottom. Now we have 2 triangles here on the top. Do you see? These need homes. So what we're gonna do is take a third piece to give these a home and tuck these ends into their home. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and we have 2 open sides with 2 pieces left. So we can fold these 2 and flip it over like this and give these 2 a home. So we take the next piece and put it over top, just like this, and we find homes for this and this. This one will go right in here. Isn't it neat how they're already lined up? And this piece will go in there and finish off that side. Then we take these little leftovers and find a home for them as well. Right there. And the other one can go right in there. So, because they're all identical and each side is identical, each piece or triangle will find a home. We just have to lay the piece on top like this. See, I can take this off and put it back on, just like this, and tuck it in And then find homes for the light green pieces, just like this. Okay? Then you take a piece of ribbon If you're having a tough time putting this little box together, just watch the instructions over and over again, like I did. Just kidding. But seriously, just watch the instructions. It becomes easier and easier every single time you do it. These make fantastic gifts for your friends, and they are so cute on your Christmas tree. Oh, well, there it goes. Yeah. Only I would do some nonsense like that, right? Drop it on my tree. Okay. Yes, I have my tree up, and it's not Thanksgiving. Don't judge me. Okay. When you come back, I'm going to teach you how to use a buttonhole foot and a button foot. Yes! Oh, it's going to be wonderful. Don't forget to come back. I'm so excited. But first, enjoy your holiday and...